Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel AI Learn with Usman, where we dive deep into the fascinating world of artificial intelligence. Today, we're going to explore something truly exciting, an application of generative AI that might not be as flashy as creating images or writing stories but is incredibly powerful. We're talking about anomaly detection using variational autoencoders, or VAEs for short. Anomalies are those sneaky little things that don't fit the norm, like spotting fraud in financial transactions, finding flaws in manufacturing, or even catching security breaches in networks. And guess what? Variational autoencoders can help us uncover them. What are variational autoencoders? So, what exactly is a variational autoencoder? Think of it like this. Imagine you have a box full of perfectly normal apples. You teach your VAE model what these normal apples look like by feeding it tons of pictures of them. Now, when you show it an apple with a bruise, or worse, a banana, it raises a red flag because it doesn't match the pattern it learned. It's like training a detective to spot anything out of place. But instead of Sherlock Holmes, we've got math and machine learning doing all the heavy lifting, real-life examples of VAE in action. Let me give you some real-world examples so you can see just how impactful this technology is. Take Uber, for instance. They use VAEs to detect fraudulent activities in their financial transactions. Imagine someone trying to game the system by exploiting payment loopholes. Thanks to VAEs, Uber can catch these anomalies before they cause any harm. And then there's Google. Ever wondered how big tech companies keep their systems secure from hackers? Well, Google uses VAEs to monitor network traffic and identify unusual patterns that could indicate a cyber attack. It's like having a virtual guard dog sniffing out intruders 24/7. Industrial quality control. But wait, there's more. Let's talk about industrial quality control. Picture a factory churning out thousands of products every day. A single scratch or misalignment could ruin the entire batch if left unnoticed. Enter VAEs. They're trained on images of perfect products and can instantly flag anything that looks off. Whether it's a dent in a car door or a misprinted label, VAEs make sure nothing slips through the cracks. Healthcare heroics. Now, here's where things get really inspiring. In healthcare, VAEs are saving lives. For example, at the Children's National Hospital in Washington, D.C., they're using generative AI models to analyze electronic health records. By looking at vital signs, lab results, and patient history, the model predicts which patients are at risk of sepsis, a life-threatening condition. This early warning allows doctors to step in sooner, improving outcomes and giving patients a fighting chance. Why should you care about VAEs? So why should you care about variational autoencoders? Because they're everywhere. From keeping your bank account safe to ensuring the products you buy are flawless, VAEs play a crucial role behind the scenes. Plus, they're part of the foundation for many other generative AI models, making them a key piece of the AI puzzle. In short, VAEs are the unsung heroes of the AI world. Quietly working, tirelessly analyzing, and always ready to shout, "Hey, something's not right here." If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more deep dives into the world of AI. Got questions about VAEs or anomaly detection? Drop them in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. Until next time, stay curious, stay innovative, and remember, the future is being built one algorithm at a time.